The city of Seattle has always been inextricably bound to the sea, ever since the days of the area's first Native American inhabitants. The city gets its name from Chief Seawall, a Duwamish tribal leader who well knew the importance of the ocean's resources for life and prosperity. From its first European settlements, the city boomed around timber harvest, and later shipbuilding and technology. Today, Seattle is one of the fastest-growing major cities in the United States, boasting the third-largest seaport in North America. It soon became clear that Seattle needed a seawall to keep pace with its working waterfront. With a filled level shoreline, Seattle transformed into a major shipping and industry hub. However, time and the harsh marine environment weakened the original seawall, which was built between 1916 and 1934. As such, Seattle is replacing the aging, failing seawall and improving the lost nearshore aquatic environment. The new seawall has been designed to protect public safety, meet current seismic standards, improve the salmon migration corridor, and act as the foundation of Seattle's future waterfront for the next 75 years. Old Castle Precast was selected by the Mortenson Manson joint venture team to provide key elements of the new seawall's design that help restore some of the natural characteristics of Elliott Bay. For instance, the new seawall features a suite of elements meant to attract fish, aquatic plants, and other marine animals. Biology meets engineering to provide a fish highway for migrating salmon. After the old seawall structure is removed and a new foundation set in place, specially designed face panels manufactured by Old Castle Precast are slid into place. The face panels have been specially designed with unique textures created to promote sea life. At the heart of the project is the Z-segment concrete support structure manufactured by Old Castle Precast that will support the new pedestrian platform. Project Superintendent Carl Benjamin.
So the Z segment is the cantilever support for the precast sidewalk panels that the public sees and that will be part of the public promenade over the waterfront. And so those Z structures go into place to support that. The tolerances are very tight. Basically, it has to be a tolerance that's within 1/8 of an inch for the precast sidewalk that goes on top of those cantilever sections of the Zs. Otherwise, we have to make adjustments and do it over, essentially.
The Z-segment itself is an impressive engineering design achievement. Old Castle Precast Project Manager, Steve Heister.
Each part weighs about 40,000 pounds, has about 4,000 pounds of rebar, very tight specifications for rebar placement, very tight specifications for performance of the concrete. The geometry of the Z-segment particularly made the forming difficult and took some thinking and, again, collaboration and work to be able to get all the rebar into the part itself and get the forms to work.
After the face panels and Z-segments are in place, the concrete decking for the pedestrian walkway is placed on the overhang provided by the Z-segment. The decking is checkered with translucent panels that allow light to pass through the walkway. This completes the final design feature needed for a functional fish highway. Although the cutting-edge design and construction is taking place in the congested and heavily traveled waterfront area, quality partnerships are leading to successful completion of the unique seawall elements.
Working closely with our suppliers is key to the success of the project. Old Castle partners with us and cooperates with us. This is a high-profile project, obviously, and it demands a high-quality product that the public's going to see and that we need to put in place. And Old Castle provides that service for us.
The new Elliott Bay seawall and its partnerships between the city, contractors, and material suppliers like Old Castle Precast strive to restore some of that beauty, and more importantly, its sustainability for future generations.